Hello guys, so let's learn a new word for today, which is charlatan. C-H-A-R-L-A-T-A-N, charlatan, which is a person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill. A person falsely claiming to have a special knowledge or skill. So let's have a look at a few synonyms. What are the synonyms for charlatan? There are quacks, mountebank, charm, fraud, fake, humbug, and imposter. Quack, mountebank, charm, fraud, fake, humbug, and imposter. Let's take a look at a few examples. Number 1. I think the waiter will see him as the charlatan he really is. I think the waiter will see him as the charlatan he really is. I think the waiter will see him as the charlatan he really is. Number 2. The charlatan is anything but a doctor. The charlatan is anything but a doctor. Number 3. Some psychic charlatan convinced her she was going to die in 6 months. Some psychic charlatan convinced her she was going to die in 6 months. Number 4. The charlatan. I lost thousands of dollars because I followed his advice. The charlatan. I lost thousands of dollars because I followed his advice. Number 5. He was sure that he was dealing with a charlatan. He was sure that he was dealing with a charlatan.